How to turn off dial pad sound on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can turn off the dial pad sound on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To turn off the dial pad sound on your iPhone, basically what happens here is that whenever you go to your keypad and then maybe you're trying to enter someone else's number here, but you're annoyed by the dial pad sound, right? And the way is that we can turn this off, but the only catch is that to turn this off you have to make your whole phone silent. So you can open up settings, then go to sounds and haptics. Then the only way to turn that completely off is by simply putting this little ringer to mute over here, right? So go to sounds and haptic and then just put this to the maximum low that you can. Then once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then turn off the sounds from your dial pad. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.